It's Papa Dale and Marlo. Where's the bandit? Did the name of the channel change? No, bandit's back in the RV. Mike is editing video. Marlo wanted to come with me to the Malachite Pavilion Visitor Center. We're going to go in and see what kind of nature stuff they've got going on in here. So come along. It's probably going to be interesting. Yabba dabba doo. Well, here we come up to the pavilion. And this is an important bird area. Yeah. So don't think it's unimportant. It is very important. Now, look here. We have the Padre Island National Seashore. And we have the ice cream truck out there going by. Yahoo for that. And you can just take a look at that and pause if you wish and have a good time. And look at this guy right here. Ah! It's a turtle! Oh, look at that turtle eye. Ooh, okay, goodbye. That's enough. Okay. Marlo's going to hold the camera and get a picture of Papa in here. Get in there. Okay, Marlo's turn. She's going to be an official ranger. There's already a hat on your head. Woohoo! Marlo! Woo! All right. So, this is nice. This is a nice shaded pavilion.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's like 8 picnic tables over there, or 6, 8, I don't know, something. There's a bathhouse over here. Let's go in and see some naked people. No, just kidding. That would really be gross, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. But there is a bathhouse here, and a restroom, and a shower, and a changing area. That's pretty cool. And what do we have over here? It is an information board. Let's look down here. This is a convenient stopover, not only for the birds, but for Papa and the bandit. Okay. Usted está aquí. Right here. Yeah, right there. That's where you are. No, not you. Me. And Marlo, that's where we are. And here are some birds. And oh, that little one that's been flitting around on the beach is a piping plover. Mm-hmm. And I haven't seen any peregrine falcons.
Me neither.
And I don't know if I've seen any yellow-rumped warblers. Mm-hmm. And I don't know if I've seen any reddish egrets. I've seen white egrets.
I've seen white egrets too, but not the red ones.
Huh. That's pretty interesting. Ooh, whoa, well, let's get the camera adjusted back up here. Look out there, that's a nice beach. Ooh, boom, 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 boom. Ah! It's a turtle! Oh, it's just a picture. Oh, all right. It's cool. Oh, look at the turtle eggs. Look how they come. They come a dozen to the box. I mean, no. But it looks like they've been packed in there. Isn't that like it's geometric?
Yes. I wonder if the turtles do that or if the humans put them that way.
Well, I don't know. I think that's a, oops. I think that's a beautiful, beautiful beach out there.
Mm-hmm.
The waves are nice. You could surf on them real nice. And over here we have another information board. Gulf Coast Dump. Oh, this is like we see in the boondocking sites all the time. Junk. People leaving their junk around. Ugh. So infuriating. Okay, let's go over here and let's see if we can find our way into this visitor center. Oh, look at this. What is all of this stuff? Stuff found on the beach, I would guess. A bowling ball.
Look, snake skin.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness, a bowling ball.
That's what I just said. Bowling ball. Really?
It's about an 8-pounder.
Odd.
That's what I usually bowl with.
Okay. You got a glass ball here for net fishing. And look at this. This is snake skin or something. I don't know. All kinds of interesting things here. Okay. Done here. Hard talking over that phone. He's doing his job. Ooh, we got vending machines. You want to go and get some vending? Oh, wait a second. Employees only. Where's the entrance?
The door's right over here, I think.
But it's all roped off.
Oh, no, not
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Missed the door here. All right. Here we go. After you, miss. Ooh. Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
Yes, it is.
Hello, y'all.
Hello.
A great turtle morning to you.
Yes.
I saw one.
Really?
Just a little juvenile out on the road. Why does a turtle cross the road? To get to the pond on the other side.
Yeah, but you probably know this, but if he's crossing the road, you need to take him on across, not put him back on the other side.
Oh yeah? No.
He's going across the road for a reason.
Oh, I don't touch him. I let him go where he's going to go.
Yeah, a lot of people see him on the road, they'll stop and they'll set him off on the side.
Oh.
If you set him on the wrong side, he's going to go across again.
Yeah.
So you need to get him going the direction that
He was already on the side just heading into the grass, so
yeah,
I couldn't
then he's good then.
yeah. I couldn't stop my RV fast enough to get any pictures of him, but this is
That's it, don't go driving down South Beach.
this nice display here.
Right, yeah. Yeah, that's what, the campground's full, and I figure that's why.
And there's way too much for me to read to you or for even me to stop and take pictures for you to be able to read for yourself. But I'm certain that if you go online, you can find Padre Island National Seashore information. Oh, look here.
Be observant. If you see any tracks, or if you see a live or dead sea
Ooh.
on the beach, immediately contact a park ranger.
There's a
As
turtle
part of the
that's
Endangered
trying to
Species
nest.
Act, taking or having in your possession any part of these sea turtles is a felony offense. If you find a nesting female, do not approach her until she has already begun laying her eggs or is covering her nest. If possible, photograph or videotape her. Any information reported to park rangers will help
Well,
to save these docile creatures.
this looks like it's about a 4-minute video. We're not gonna watch that whole thing. But look at some of these beautiful pictures. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Look at these two up here that are rubbernecking. That's cute. Some beautiful, I guess they aren't pictures, I guess they're paintings. Some beautiful, beautiful things here. Okay, so this gives you an idea. Let's see if we can get this camera to work right. This gives you an idea of how big the turtle is. Go ahead and stand in there, Marlo, so we have an idea, a scale, how big the turtle is. Come forward.
It's pretty big.
There's Marlo, yeah. How big would you say across the top of that shell?
At least 2.5 to 3 feet.
It's pretty big. I wonder what they weigh. Yeah. Ooh. It's pretty cool. I like that. I like turtles. Turtles are cool. You like turtles, Marlo?
I love turtles.
Yeah?
Yes.
Do you like turtle soup, Marlo?
No,
Oh,
of course
okay.
not.
Well, I had to ask. It was a question in my head, and I had to get it out of my head. What do we have here?
Just one fish.
This whole big aquarium for one fish. Okay, that might be the only fish on Padre Island.
It's a burrow grunt.
Oh, is it grunting?
I'm not sure.
Is its nickname Tim Allen? Pretty cool stuff. Well, this is not a huge visitor center, but it's very interesting. Very interesting. Oh, the dunes. Look here. Find up in the dunes. Another reason to stay out of the dunes. Oh, and here we find little ghost crabs. And Bandit's been having fun. Oops. Whoa. There goes my gimbal. Sorry about that. I accidentally hit my thumb on the gimbal. And here's a little kangaroo rat. And there are lots and lots of pelicans all around. That noise you hear in the background is a notification that I have some kind of a call coming in. Well, this is not the largest nature center I've ever seen, but it's chock full of cool information. Now, this is a Portuguese man-of-war right here. And the reason I know that is because when I came around the corner, it said, "Hola, amigo, ¿cómo está?" Oh, wait, that's Spanish. That wouldn't have worked. No, but this is a Portuguese man-of-war, which is kind of cool. Some of the kids out swimming in the surf the other day saw a couple of these out in the wild, and these tentacles are stinging right here, and that's how they catch their prey. You can see here, this fish in this simulation is caught up in these tentacles. And none of the kids got stung, but I understand that the sting of the Portuguese man-of-war is tremendously powerful. Now look here. Here's something I didn't know. The Portuguese man-of-war is not a single creature, but a colony of smaller animals, each having a specialized function. Isn't that interesting? Wow. I had no idea. Look at this cute little guy right here. I didn't see any of those in the wild. He is a cutie though. As my now 32-year-old son would have said when he was young, he's a cutie wootie.
During nearly every year since 1996, turtles from this project and other turtles.
Let's look at this just a little more.
An increasing number of Kemp's Redwing nests have been located in the U.S., with 55% at Padre Island National Seashore.
Wow.
We feel that we have this tremendous opportunity to try to help save these.
All right, I thought I was going to see something really interesting, but maybe it's just all too interesting. Okay. It's pretty cool. Let's go over here to the souvenir shop side. Oh, excuse us. Go online. You can adopt a turtle. Oh, there's flip books. Padre Island National Seashore. It's all kinds of books and yeah. Oh, look at the octopus. That's kind of cool. I like pie, even if it's octopi. Oh, yeah, we've seen lots of these guys out there. Pelicans. What's interesting about the pelicans is you see them out there in a flock and they're all grouped around, flying around the same part of the ocean. There's probably a school of fish underneath them. Well, okay. I think it's time to leave. It's pretty small. It's interesting. You could spend much more time here and read everything in more detail. But I think for now, Papa Dale and Marlo are going to say, we're checking out, and yabba dabba doo.
Yabba dabba doo. Hasta luego.
Man, look at those waves out there. Aren't they gorgeous?
They are.
So Marlo and I are just finishing up here at the Nature Center at the Padre Island National Seashore, and we came up to an observation deck to look at the absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful view. Where we've been camping, we've been right down on the beach, and although that certainly is an interesting and beautiful view in its own right, this is a little different perspective, and it's just really, really nice. All the people out there having a good time, not too crowded. I'll bet you there are times during the year when it's a lot more crowded.
Oh, yeah.
But from up here, man, look at way down the beach, how far you can look. That's just crazy long. What's the length of this island, did you say, Marlo?
70 miles of beaches.
70 miles of beaches. Wow. That's beautiful.
It's the longest undeveloped barrier beaches in the world.
Nice. Okay. Once again, Papa Dale and
Marlo!
check it out!